this tutorial we will be creating this design. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. I will create a video format for this project. Change background color. But before that, let's upload our file from Upload. I will be using 3 images. Now duplicate the pages. We are doing this so that your animation won't get affected. Now let's resize the elements in same format, since we have resized the images as per our need. Now let's delete the duplicated page. And again duplicate it. I will again duplicate it. Now in the first page, click on Position. Then Layers, then bring other 2 images behind the main image which you want to show. Position it in the center. It's time to change the background color. We will use contrasting gradient color. Now here is the trick you need to follow carefully. Scroll up in the color wheel. Then you will have option to position the gradient. Select the one in the middle. Now change the color as per your design. You can also interchange them as per your need. I will do the same for other 2 design. First bring main image front, then change background color. Follow the same step for third image as well. First I will bring it front, then change its background. You see we have nice glowing effect. Part 1 design is complete. Let's move to part 2, which is designing our first page. Click on plus icon and move it to first page. To explain you clearly, I will change its background color to white. Now go to Elements and search for rectangle, or you can simply press R on your keyboard. Now drag it so that it covers one side. Then click Duplicate to duplicate the rectangle and use it so that it fills the page. I have used shortcut Alt plus right click to duplicate it. Now change the background color of the rectangle. As we have already made our background color, Canva will keep it, so we don't need to make it again. Just select it for 3 rectangle and make some adjustment. Now bring our main images in this page. Just copy and paste it from our other page and adjust the position. Now let's design this. As you can see, our design is starting to take shape. If you are wondering how I dragged this playhead, then you need to click on this Duration tab. Okay, now it's time to design and animate our main products page. For that you need to go to Elements and search for Circle. Then you need to duplicate it and make it bigger. You may need to watch this step again, so make sure you are fully concentrated on this step. As you can see, there are 2 circles. We will change its color so that we can get that popping effect. But first let me readjust it so it is a bit larger. Okay, looks good. Now change its color. I will use color picker to match it with my design. I will use these to color combination. But you can adjust color according to your design. Now duplicate the circle and make it larger. Now, I know most of you will be stuck in this step, where your main objects are hidden behind like this. To solve this, you need to click on Position. Then bring your object behind like this. Now again duplicate your page and follow the same step. Again bring it backward. I will zoom out a bit and adjust the position. Now again duplicate your page and follow the same step. And you will have something like this. I think this pattern will not match with my product, so let me quickly change the color. Okay, nice. Now again go to position. This time we will bring our main subject in the front. Don't worry if you are not able to do it in first try, I will again show this step for other item. Since we have done all the hard work, now we just need to copy and paste the design. To do that, again go to position. Only select the circles and copy it. Now on your next page paste the circles. Now we need to change the color of these circles. But first let's bring our main image front, which is this yellow chips. I will move this aside so that I can change the color. We will use the same step, which is to pick color. Let me again inverse the color. Let's follow the same step for this green chips as well. First paste the circle from previous page. Then bring your main image front. Then change the color and bring your main image in the middle. Designing part is almost complete. Now it's time to animate it. Select all the layers like this. Then click on Animate. Then select this pop. Make sure it's selected only for Enter. Now select the product, then increase the timing of the animation. And you will have this smooth animation. Now follow the same step for other two pages. Do the same step for this page as well. Now go to Transition and select Circle Wipe Transition. To use transition, select this icon on the middle of two pages. Again go to Other Page and select this icon for transition. I will reduce the timing of the animation. I have made a detailed video on how to adjust timing, so make sure you check that video. Okay guys, we are almost at the end of our animation. Here is a neat trick I am teaching you. First input the text and write the product name. Then select font. Adjust the font and bring it back to our image. I will select a chunky font, like Anton. I will adjust the line spacing. Change color to white. Go to Layers, then bring text at the back. Make some adjustment. Then duplicate the text. Again duplicate it. Now bring your text on the back of the image. Animate the products. And time it like this. Now duplicate it, then we will select first text. Then click on this effect. After that we will again duplicate the page. Then we will make the text normal, then on the second text we will use this effect. And do the same for third page as well. Adjust the timing for smooth transition. Zoom in a bit. After doing that, we will select match and move transition. And there you have it, guys.